fish. It's right up there in my office. Bowl, bowl. So now we're going to be making a boat. Okay, so it's me again. And today we're going to be making a boat. It's inside here. Just let me get it out. Let's see. Sorry. Thank you. So you saw that I made the fish already. That's what kind of boat I'm going to be making, but probably different in one of the tops. And the supplies you need are the direction book. You need these, and some markers for it. So let's get started. I have it all set out, and what I have there is the body of the boat right here, the pad pieces which are right here, what's that word, Dad?
Dowels.
The dowels which are right here, right there. And then I also have the sail, which is white. I have the rubber bands, which are blue right there. And I also have the markers, which are right there. And what you need for this is a tub. We're going to use my sink. You need water for it to float on when you're done. And you need a mess mat, which is like a pickle bag that you need. In case you get messes, you don't want to get it on the table. And that's what it's probably going to turn out to be. So, we did step 1, lay the bag out. Step 2 is take the markers, put them right here. Then out of here, take out both of the sails and put them on here. So, I'm going to open this, just grab the sail out of it. There's one sail. Other sail out. See you back when I'm done coloring. Bye! Okay, so I'm done, and this is one of my flags. Then here's the other one of my flags right here. And now I'm going to video putting the sticks in. So there's a little hole right here.
What happened to music?
And now, the next one. Wait. Holy moly, so this is the wrong way. So this side always has to go down, guys. this in, and let's do the next step. The next step is putting the flags inside the ships. They all in these bags. Where do you think they are? And they are right here. So first I'm going to put in this one. So both of them are in, and now I'm putting the rubber band on, but let's get started to it. Next is putting the rubber bands on. There's more than one because it's supposed to clip together, and if it breaks, then it breaks. That's why you have two more. I have one in the package, and then these out. Not like blue in the package. Oh, and it's supposed to be on the second one. Well, clip to the next. So I am done with this one. And it looks like that in the back. Now I'm going to show you how I did that. So, you got to put the rubber band through the second one, just to tell you to do this. So, you got it out of the bag, of course. From here, it might not look like it's going to. But from here, of course. Because it's going to slide through like that. Then, you're going to take the bottom, pull it up. Now we're going to go in the sink and check it out. So I decided to do it in the pool instead of the sink. And just to make sure, you need an adult so you can go in the pool. You need them watching you. My boat's right behind you. I'll show you what I'm going to do first. So this is the boat that I'm going to be doing first. And now let's see how it works. So you need to twist the back. Looking good.
It didn't go very far.
So you need to give it a little push in the water.
Make sure it's spinning the right way.
Is it supposed to go back? Or front?
Let me take a look at it. When you let it go, which way is the water going to be pushed? Let it go? You want to push the water behind it, right?
Oh, yeah, it's going to be coming this way.
Let it go and see what happens.
Okay, are you ready?
Yep.
Oh my God. So now I'm going to be doing it. It went places. I'm going to say now we're going to try in the deep end. Now we're going to try in the deep end. Let's go. So I'm over at the deep end, and I've been twisting it backwards. And it just untwisted. So see you when it's all twisted. So now we're trying in the deep end. I'm so excited. I wonder how it's gonna go. It's moving. Ready, set, go. That wasn't very full. So now I'm gonna let it be sunk. Okay, I'm going. Oh no! Oh no! It sunk! It sunk! This is the ending of the video. I hope you guys have a great day. But first, we're going to see how fast this baby can go. So let's see if it can go further than that one. Not move at all. Or move further than that one. Let's check. That one's going upside down. So I think that was a fun one. I hope you all have a great day. Have a fun time. Okay, so our next video is what I'm going to wear for the first day of school. See you then, guys.